All right, I know it sounds weird to say, is it weird that I have a favorite tape company? But it's true. With some of the things I do, I actually use a lot of Gaffer's tape. This is actually their white duct tape, but I use a lot of Gaffer's tape from Lockport, and they are my favorite Gaffer's tape. So I thought I would give their duct tape a shot. And so what we have here from the big old 6-pack is just one roll of their white duct tape that I picked up. Duct, D-U-C-T, not duck. Not duck, quack, quack, duct, D-U-C-T, for those of you who are picky like me. A couple of things I love about Lockport in particularly is the adhesive they use. I'm not sure how their adhesive is different from some of the other duct tape providers, but this is they say no residue, but from my experience, it's very low residue. It's very unlikely to leave anything behind, but it's also high adhesive. It's very, very sticky, and so it's going to stick very well. As you just saw me do, it is very easy to unroll. It's very easy by hand to tear, and a nice clean tear at that. This duct tape itself is woven, and it is a waterproof indoor-outdoor duct tape. Reason we picked this one up is actually for a couple repairs on a trailer. We've got a big white trailer that's got some issues because someone ran into something. So we're going to use this duct tape as a temporary patch and repair to seal it up, make it a little bit more watertight than it is, and we should be good to go. But I absolutely love this duct tape. Again, easy to use, easy to tear, strong adhesive, little to no residue left behind. If you are looking for a good duct tape, give them a chance, give them a shot. Again, I know it might be weird, but they are my favorite tape company. Check it out.